G'day ladies and gentlemen, TJ here from TJ Makes Drinks. And today we're going to be making the Raspberry Lemonade Spritzer. Right, this is a super fun little summery drink, you know. Make up a whole bunch of these before you go camping, before you go fishing. I think you'll really enjoy yourself. It's a nice different change from beer. So anyway, we're going to start off with grabbing a few bits of lemon. And we're going to throw them into our bottle like this. Now, you don't have to use a bottle, you can use glass if you like. However, I like changing things up every now and again, and by doing them in bottles means that they're easily transportable. You know, just get some old beer bottles, you know, when you finish with a carton, get some old beer bottles, clean them all out, keep the lids, their screw tops, and you're good to go. You can make a whole bunch of these up, take them out to the park, take them out for a picnic, take them out fishing, take them out for a drive. You know, don't drink and drive, obviously. I mean, take them out, you know, somebody else is driving and you go and you stop off somewhere. Don't drink and drive, seriously. You're a fucking moron if you do that. Now we're going to throw a few raspberries into this thing. Actually going to be going to a festival soon, so I'm planning on putting a few of these together for that, and to have as pre-drinks for the festival. Love raspberries. Now, so what we're going to do is we're going to get our funnel, and we're going to get a nip of raspberry vodka. Raspberry vodka, super underrated. You don't see it as much, but it's a really nice alternative for regular vodka. So we're going to drop a nip of raspberry vodka in there. Yeah, we might just put a little bit more in, why not? Just in case, you know. You don't have to worry too much about the measurements with this. Next we're going to bring along my friend Limoncello. Now I'm super excited to get to use this because I love limoncello, and you don't get to use it in too many drinks. So we're going to drop in a half a nip of this because it is a super strong flavour and we don't want to kill it too much. Okay? And drop in half a nip of the limoncello. Then, after that, we're going to take our juicer, our fresh press, and we're going to just do, we're just going to get a little bit of lemon juice in, about maybe 15-20 mils. Pull that out, get the other bit. Oh, and it's going all over the shirt, everywhere but in the funnel, which is a little bit typical. Alright, so after that we're going to come in with a whole bunch of sparkling Moscato. That's a boy. Right. I'm going to pour this in almost to the top. Let that effervesce. Which I love that word, don't you? Effervesce. Sounds fantastic. Reminds me of the old Schweppes ads from the 80s and the early 90s for those of us who are old enough to remember. And finally we're going to come in with just a touch of Grenadine to give it a little bit of colour, a little bit of extra flavour. Pull out that funnel. And there we go. The Raspberry Lemonade Spritzer. It's a hot day today, so I'm going to have a sip right now. Oh, and that goes down really well. Anyway, my name's TJ. Cheers for coming around my place. Make sure you do the old YouTube stuff, or the Facebook stuff, the like, subscribe, get notifications on both those things, man, because Facebook's about to change everything apparently, and anyway, So I'm TJ, cheers for coming around my place, and as always, here's cheers.